Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna start showcasing my game, which is HIO, and let me log in right here. Uh, okay, let me see. Okay, and never. This is one of my game that I've made 2 years ago. I've been doing it for 2 years. It's a Unity game, a top-down shooter game. So yeah, this is the sound of the game. I made the music by myself using FL Studio, which is this little software right here. I use that to make my music, and I did everything here in Unity. And those arts, I did those arts using Fablaka. I made those arts, and if I go to info, this is the info or the information. Going back, and if I go to start, those are the options from level 1 to level 20. I could click any one I want, maybe level 11, and yeah, this is the shooting, this is the health, and those are the enemy I can shoot. And yeah, this is my game. I'll try to beat my own game here. It's quite a long game since it's 20 level, but I'm just gonna play just a little bit to showcase my game. Try to beat it. Yeah. Okay, that's kinda hard. Okay, it's only level 1, huh? But it should be easy to beat, right? Level 1 game. Yes, those little dots that fall down, those are just a little effects I made using the particle system Unity. That's what I did. Oh. And those enemies are just okay. I can talk and play at the same time. Okay. Yeah, those orange enemies just using chasing algorithm, and the blue enemy just kind of instantiates those orange one. That's what I did for my artificial intelligence. Oh, okay. Yeah, that orange enemy has so much range and of attacks. And I did it on purpose to make it harder. Make it really hard. Okay. And shoot one. Oh, whoa. So what I did is that I make the game extra hard, but I compensate to have more items so that you don't die too quickly. Oh, okay. Don't get close, okay. Alright. mean